Hey traders, welcome to 𝗘𝗃𝗿𝗆 Weekly Forex Forecast. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY. We will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗘𝗃𝗿𝗆 channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY. Before we cover this one, guys, let me quickly show you our trusted partners and we continue. These are our trusted partners. FTMO, I think most of you know it. TradingView, this is #1 charting platform that we are using. Binance, the largest crypto exchange platform. And CedrFX is a forex broker. Offers 0 commission and very low spreads. If you go to the website and you scroll down, you can click here to see the full list of tradable assets. I will leave links for you in the description under this video. Coming back to the XY. For this one, we said last week market will correct, one more drop, and then we'll start to look for our buy setups. Right? We've got this drop, we broke this low, but market failed to push higher. We've got a small corrective structure, one more drop. After this drop, we've got this up wave. We were expecting market to react from here. So, after this up wave, we've got a corrective structure that broke this low once more. So the market didn't move as expected. And this down wave from here to here gets extended. Anyway, if you get in this buy, you must have made small profits, break even, or small loss. If you get any other outcome, you have to learn how to trade correctly. Make sense? Now, what next, Alan? In all the cases, the next wave for us is to the upside, either from here or from under this low. So market can go down to break this low once more before this up wave. In all the cases for us, the next move is toward the upside and we will be looking for our buy setups only. And this up wave, guys, it will be just a part of a bigger corrective structure. But for now, short to medium term, you look for your buy setups for DXY. Euro dollar for this one, we were expecting this up wave anyway. Market went up, we've got a small corrective structure, another push up. This drop, and this up wave. So, this up move also gets extended. Again, this is normal. If you get an any sell setup, you must get out for small loss, break even, or small win. Why I'm saying small win? Because inside our private Slack group, some of our members, they were able to take this sell and make money. And that's the difference between know how to trade correctly and follow someone blindly. Again, I'm not negating that the market didn't react it from here. Alright guys, we were expecting market to react straight above this top. We've got this up wave all the way to these levels. Now, after this drop, we've got this up wave and we broke this top once more. This tells us a story here. What is the story? The drop will be coming, but this will be only a corrective structure or part of it. What do you mean by that, Alan? This might be the start of a big corrective structure, or just one drop and then another push up. For now, I don't want you to be confused here about what next. I want you just to focus on the sell setups for euro dollar. Any sell setup we get, we will go for it. This down wave, guys, can start from here or from above this top once more. So if market will be going up to break this top one more time, the structure will not change and we will look for our sell setups again. In all the cases, this is the wave that we are looking for. One direction, one wave. Is that clear, guys, for all of you? If this is clear, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And more details regarding this structure, this pattern, the bigger picture, and the next levels will be covered in our live Sunday session. Now, those of you who don't know about our premium analysis service, I highly recommend you guys to subscribe to it. All the details are in the description under this video or on our website. pound dollar for this one, this is same as all the majors. And because the XY was falling more than expected, this one went up. So, we said to you last week, market will correct, wanna push up, and then the drop. Do you remember that? We've got this corrective structure, we've got this up wave, and market started this drop. Now, if you get in this sell, you must be able to make small profits with this down wave. If not, this is a break-even trade, and market went higher. Even if market is pushing up one more time, the next wave is towards the downside. So for pound dollar, we will be looking for our sell setups only. No matter where the market will give us the sell setup, we will enter. We are expecting market to start a big corrective structure, or this wave will be the end of the corrective structure for another push up. All of this, guys, will be another corrective structure for different degree. I don't want you to be confused here. What is the next wave? This is the next wave that we are expecting. A drop, and any sell setup we get, we will go for it. Is that clear, guys? Now, those of you who are serious about trading and wants to learn how to trade correctly, we have started accepting payments for our June 2022 Masterclass course. And in this course, guys, we will be sharing our new special strategy that allows you to double your account in only 3 trades using minimal risk. And this is the first time we will be sharing this strategy and plan with our Masterclass members. And to not take time explaining about all the other topics here, I have allocated, guys, few minutes at the end of the video to explain you about every single topic one by one. And just to let you know, we have limited places for this course. Aussie dollar for this one, this will also move to the downside. Do not jump in, wait your sell setup because we might get another small push up before the drop. And never ever forget our 4 golden rules. Do not jump in, do not overtrade and overrisk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. Why I'm saying that? What if this up wave will be extended more than that? What if this one will be pushing up and up? Do you want to lose all your money by jumping in and trading without stop loss? Never do that. Wait your sell setup. This is the next wave that we are expecting. And this is a higher probability chance move. What I mean by that? Even if 90% of the times market will give us this drop, we still have a chance that this will push higher. And this can push more than 1000 pips to the upside. I am helping you guys to have a probabilistic mindset and think like a professional trader. You are not a gambler. And I don't want you to lose your hard-earned money just because you don't know how to trade or you jump in without knowing what you are doing. Again, learn how to trade correctly is your first step to succeed in trading. Coming back to Aussie dollar, the next wave that we'll be looking for is this one. Down wave, sell setup, not this. If market will continue to the upside, let it go without us. We are not interested. Dorian for this one, market is dropping. We've got this drop, we've got this corrective structure, another drop. This was a small corrective structure here for this drop. Now, all of this, guys, it might be a leading structure for a small correction here and then another drop. So, for dollar yen, wait market to give you a small corrective structure and then you look for your sell setups. Again, this leading structure is not confirmed as yet. All you have to do, wait for market to give you a complete corrective structure upwards and then you look for your sell setups. This is what we will do. New Zealand dollar for this one, it's same as all the majors. If dollar will be going up, and this is what we are expecting, New Zealand dollar will be falling. So this is the wave that we are focusing on. Any sell setup we get for New Zealand dollar, we will go for it. Trade according to your plan and trade with care. For this up wave, market has to give us a corrective structure. This is an uptrend for most of retail traders. And it is an uptrend. But the problem is how retail traders react to uptrend and how they trade. That's the problem. So for this up move, market makers need to grab liquidity before the next wave. And that's why they will try to drop the market before the next structure. Why? To grab liquidity, trap retail traders to go for short before the next wave. But all the possibilities shows us that the next wave is towards the downside. Again, do not jump in from here. You wait for your sell setup and you go for the trade. What we are sharing is not signals, it's our point of view on what could be the next move in the market based on our unique wave analysis concept. And guys, those of you who are really serious and wants to learn how to trade correctly and become an independent successful trader, don't miss out our June Masterclass course. Everything will be explained in details with our unique strategies and the special money management system that will be shared for the first time. This course, it might be your first trading course, but it will definitely be your last trading course that you might take. So do not lose this opportunity. Pound yen market is moving sideways. We were biased to the downside from here, and even from here. But this is a sideways move. So the way market is moving, I don't like it. Based on the current structure, I can see this correcting here, one more push up, one more drop, one more push up, and then the fall. All of this is a complex and messy structure. What to do here? Wait market to complete this up wave and you look for your sell setups. Now, some of you might be scalpers. If that's the case, you can look for your buy setups here. But this is a very risky trade. It's up to you guys which wave you wanna trade. But for us, this is what we can see next for pound yen. Yes, oil for this one. Market went up here. We've got this drop. All of you remember this one. After that, we've got this up wave. Market gave us this corrective structure after this small correction here. And then we are getting this up move. What next? A drop. So for yes oil, we're looking for our sell setups from current levels or from above this top. If market will give us a corrective structure, one push up, this will be even better. Because after this up wave, we will look for our sell setups again. In all the cases, we'll be looking for our sell setups for yes oil. Gold for this one, we've got this up wave and market started this drop. After that, we are getting this up move. What next? One more drop, another push up. This is how we can see gold will behave next. So it's up to you guys if you want to trade this down wave or you want to wait market to drop and you look for your buy setups. Both waves are tradable. All you have to do is trade with care, risk small, and this corrective structure, it might be more complex than that, which means it can extend for one more drop or even lower. More details regarding this one, and is gold one of our trades of the week? All of this will be covered in details by T on Sunday session. For now, this is all what we can say. Dollar CAD for this one, we were expecting market to give us a big corrective structure. We've got just a small running flat and the market dropped. What after this drop, Alan? Let market drop once more and then look for your buy setups. This up wave, guys, is a high probability chance move. So we will look for our buy setups under this low. If market will go up from here, we know how to enter. So the next wave, the next direction is towards the upside. Silver, for this one, guys, market was low anyway last week for all the pairs, even though we were able to make money. And I want you guys to follow us on all our social media platforms, especially on Instagram. We are posting stories and screenshots from inside our private Slack group. So, for silver, market was moving here in a range and then we've got this up wave. This might be just a small corrective structure for another push up. We suggest you to leave it for now and focus on other pairs, because this can easily turn out to be a big corrective structure, another push up. The market here is exactly in the middle. Alright guys, if you are trading silver, you leave it for now and you focus on other assets. Bitcoin for this one, market is correcting. After this up wave, market will drop once more. And once we get this drop, guys, do not miss out. the next buy opportunity. Wait market to go to 23, 20k levels, and then you invest. For now, this is what we can see. Market will be pushing up, and then it will drop. Now, those of you who are trading Bitcoin, you can go for this upwave. There is no harm in that. If you are trading Bitcoin. Those of you who would like to invest, wait market to go up. You can invest from here anyway if you would like. This is not a bad investment. And then after this upwave, one more drop, and then the big up move. Again, do not miss this buy opportunity. Nasdaq, for this one, market gave us a corrective structure here. It went in. And our premium analysis service members must remember the drop. After this drop, we've got this up move, one more drop, and then we've got this up wave. What next? Market will correct here, one push up, and then another drop. So if you are trading Nasdaq, you can look for your sell setups. After this drop, we will update you. For now, we can see market correcting, one push up, and then a fall. Now, all of you are waiting for our Masterclass course. We have started accepting payments for June 2022 Masterclass course. Remember, it's an interactive course with a lot of live and Q&A sessions. So let me explain you step by step. On the 6th of June, we will have our first live session as introduction to wave analysis and we trade waves concept. On the 7th of June, the second session will be uploaded to your dashboard regarding trends, fibs, market structure, what indicators we use, and why. Remember, all of this is linked to We Trade Waves concept. On the 8th of June, a very important topic will be covered about impulsive waves, structures, and patterns. On the 9th of June, the most important part about structures, it's corrective waves. We'll be covering corrective patterns and We Trade Waves patterns, because we also have our own unique patterns that we discovered. On the 10th of June, significance of fundamentals on waves and structures. So fundamentals have an impact. What news to look at? How to trade this one? What economic data? What economic indicators? How to combine it with wave analysis? This what will be discussed. On the 11th of June, we'll be covering order blocks, everything about it, everything about smart money concept, how to combine it with We Trade Waves methodology. We will explain you about price levels and trade timings. A very important topic. On the 12th of June, psychology and why is it so important. And guys, I think all of you know that psychology is a big part in trading. And that's why we try to build your psychology and explain you about the successful trader mindset. On the 13th of June, we'll be covering We Trade Waves Strategy 1, Risk Management, Money Management, and Trade Management. And the strategy guides will include how to enter, when to enter, where to put stop loss, where to take profits, and how to manage the trade. Alright? Now on the 20th of June, we will have a live session to explain you about We Trade Waves Strategy 2 and 3 in details and the overall concept in action. Which means live on the chart, we will show you examples, how to act, and how to react. And in all our live sessions, you can ask us questions live. On the 22nd of June, we will have a live session explaining you our Strategy 4. And on top of that, in this course, we'll be sharing our new special strategy that allows you to double your account in only 3 trades using minimal risk. And this is the first time we'll be sharing this strategy and plan with our Masterclass members. On the 24th of June, we'll have a live Q&A session in the trading room to show you how to trade and to take all your questions. On the 27th of June, we will have a live Q&A session post-course completion to take any more questions you might have after you review all the topics. Now, after we finish all of this, we will have practical sessions. What are the practical sessions? They are live sessions where you will share your screen and analyze your charts to see if you really understood the concept. These practical group live sessions are very, very important. because you will learn a lot from them and will speed up your understanding of We Trade Waves concept. More live Q&A sessions will be conducted for Masterclass Course members. If at any time in the future you feel that you need one-on-one session with one of the mentors or seniors, we will be more than happy to give it to you. And after you finish all of this, a certificate will be issued to you upon request. I really hope, guys, this is clear regarding Masterclass Course topics. Now, regarding private Slack group membership, on the 1st of June, you can sign up for the private Slack group membership from inside your Masterclass dashboard if you wish to be part of the Slack. So the private Slack membership is an option only for those who will take the Masterclass course. What are the benefits of the Slack membership? These are the benefits. Please read it, guys. I don't want to make this explanation too long. If you have any questions, please refer to the FAQ section at the bottom of the Masterclass page. And if you still have any query, send us an email at info@wetradewaves.com and one of our team members will reply to you. With all of this, I want you to remember that the best investment you can ever make is to invest in yourself. Trading is amazing. We enjoy it, our traders are enjoying it, and you all can succeed. But learn how to trade correctly first and then risk your money. Don't be most traders. To speed up your success in trading, you have to surround yourself with like-minded people who can push you to do better. And we can do that. We are number one. All of you know that. Don't take my words for it. Go to our testimonials page and see what our traders are saying about We Trade Waves. Don't miss this opportunity. We have limited places for this course. With that note, guys, you trade with care, do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.